Okay, what's going on? This is a very quick video. Well, it's not going to be very quick, but it's going to be quick. So anyway, someone asked me, how do I take my wicks out? Was my wicks still in my hair? So if y'all didn't see the other video, yes, wicks is still in my hair. I have to take them out. And as you can see, this hair, I've gotten way better doing my own hair versus doing someone else's hair. So, to take it out, because that's what this video is about, I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's get with it. Okay, so I estimate where my hair is. I don't know if y'all can see that. You see how it's like unraveling? Well, not so much. Anyway. So this is kind of a process going on right here. See, it's starting to frizz. So this is the process of me taking it out, which is a lot easier to take them out over the wicks versus me just taking them out. See how? You see that? See a little bit of bronze color? I don't know if you can really see it, but yeah. So I don't cut the hair out. This is how I do it. I find this to be a little more easier for me, and it soothes my, having to do something. So I can just do this and be done with it. So I'm not trying to waste my time, because I don't have too much storage to do this video. As you can see a little bit of my hair part there. Yeah. As you can see. See that? It's my hair. So all in all, you see that. So here's the wick. And this is my wick. So I have to get this hair off of my hair. So I pluck it. I twist it around just as I was doing it to, put it in. So I twist it around like this. And just pluck the, as you can see the hairs, coming from it. So that's going to be the hairs. That's, off the wick itself. So, trying to speed this along. So these to give you an estimate, it takes about 5 to 10 minutes on each one. So a lot of this is my hair, and you'll see that. See, so I'm actually taking all this excess hair off. This is from covering up the ends, because like I said, my hair has color on them. So this is, like I said, just regular hair. So I'll just go down it all the way around. See, so that'll give you a little idea. See that? So like you can see like my hair in between there. This is just a piece of the other hair. See, so I can't break it and rip it and all that. So this is actually what's hanging on my hair. So I just pluck that off. So yeah. There's still like a little bit left, as you can see. Still have little scraggs or whatever. So again, we just go back to the top. If I feel a knot, that means that I still have hair, and that little area. So I'm going to go ahead and just scrape it on out. See? So this one didn't come out as easy, but like I said, overall, it'll take about 5 to 10 minutes for each one of these to come out of my head. Excuse me. Sometimes I get a little tired with my arms, so I have to take it out like that. So 9 times out of 10 is not much at all, and this probably be my hair. So we'll see. Do not hook it to the, don't hook it to the sides, because you can take the hair and kind of snap right through it. So don't do it like that. Kind of do it like that. Let's see. So now that's just my hair. Probably a little bit, but other than that, no. Oh no, that's my hair. It's got color on it. See. Well, see. Yeah. Okay, so, yeah, that's it. This is how I take them out. And this is what is left with. And so I'll move on to the next. So this is like 7 minutes. So overall, between 5 to 10 minutes is how long it takes to take out a wig. I just showed you how to do it.